早晨，早晨。今日我喺度咧，就同大家咧介紹下咧，我哋教會一個我諗都大家好熟悉嘅一個事工，就係我哋嘅啟發課程。I'm here to let you know a little bit more what is happening in Taiwan, especially about the Alpha Course。嗱，我哋 ICA 其實我哋好重視咧，去到傳福音嘅。我哋好希望咧，就係用 Alpha 啟發呢一個嘅平台咧，去到接觸咧嗰啲可能慕道啦，或者未認識耶穌嘅朋友。嗱，我哋有啲相嘅係咪？見到啦，輕輕鬆鬆探索人生，就係咧啟發嗰個目的。We use Alpha Course in ICA quite a lot. We've been using it for many years as a platform so that we can reach out to people who may be questioning about the faith, who wants to know a bit more about the faith. 所以嗱，你見到呢啲相咧，可以繼續下一張。我哋咧都喺柴灣呢一個地方咧，我哋都搞過好幾次㗎啦，而次次我都見到咧喺當中咧參加嘅人咧，佢哋好有得着。咁所以今日咧，我就邀請咗咧我哋其中一位朋友啊嚇，或者我哋嘅領袖啦，就係阿 Gary， 佢係咧我哋柴灣bilingual 其中一個領袖啦。佢亦都咧參加過我哋好幾次咧我哋嘅啟發課程，而家咧佢今年開始咧就開始投入咧喺我哋職場服侍嘅。So today I've invited Gary, who's here to share a little bit about how he has been going through Alpha, and he's one of our leaders in bilingual, and he's also taking part in our marketplace ministry. 咁啊係啦 ，Gary 你好。
早晨大家。
好，我想咧問下你參加咗 Alpha 幾多次啦？
我參加咗 Alpha 兩次。
兩次。係啦，喺柴灣呢度係咪？
柴灣呢度。
係啊，咁你有啲咩嘅感受啊？同大家分享下。
感受啊
！Share us a little bit about how you've been, you know, how it feels.
感受咧就係開始嘅時候就係使命啦，大使命嘛嚇 ，Alpha 俾啲新朋友噶嘛，係咪？或者俾一啲初信慕道者噶嘛，係嘛？咁啊有個使命啦，跟住到緊張啦，緊張就係、唔知大家啲反應係點啦？個 Alpha Course 會唔會好悶啦？跟住冇話題啦，講唔到嘢啦，跟住到哇！ And then 跟住到喜樂嘅。
So, you know, I think it's like most of us, we want to, you know, do the great commission that God has, you know, commissioned us to do. That's how he responded to serving in Alpha. But then he was quite nervous. I think like most of us, we are scared, you know, whether our friends will come and whether, you know, the content of Alpha is good enough or is it boring. But then after he's been serving in it, he realizes, wow, people's lives are being changed. 咁對你嚟講，有啲乜嘢係最驚喜㗎 ？What has been some surprises during this journey？
最驚喜我估係初初諗住個 Alpha Course 咧，係好似頭先咁講係 for 一啲初信啊、慕道者啊㗎嘛，係咪？但係當你再睇 Alpha 嘅時候，第一次嘅感受唔同啦，即係第一次睇啦，第二次再睇參加嘅時候，個感受又更加唔同。而當中咧有好多咧喺 Alpha Course 入邊嘅個拍嘅時候嘅一啲嘅情景啊、見證啊，令到你哇咁嘅一聲嘅會係。
So I think throughout the, you know, there's a lot of things, you know, he didn't realize, he thought it was just for non-believers. But actually, as a believer himself, he realized he learned a lot through the Alpha Course.
係啦，咁啊跟住再到最後，喜樂係乜嘢咧？喜樂咧當中就係喺個 Alpha Course 入邊咧，有好幾個人喺 Alpha Course 入邊信耶穌啦。我哋俾啲掌聲耶穌好嘛
？Yes, a lot of joy because we see people coming to Christ. They commit their lives to Christ in the Alpha Course.
唔單止喺 Alpha Course 入邊有祈禱醫治，亦都係痊愈咗嘅。
Amen.
嗰個當時我開唔開估啊？上過嚟應該做見證㗎啦，
做過見證㗎啦。Yeah, and I think a few weeks back you realize not only do they come to know Jesus, we had healing miracles. We prayed for those who were sick and they were healed. And I think Grace was here on stage sharing her testimony.
而且咧更加有生命嘅見證、生命嘅改變。由第一堂我見到嗰位嘅弟兄姊妹，我唔講邊個啦。我係好緊張㗎，見到佢，因為咧好有氣場嘅。到最後一堂嘅時候，哇！整個人唔同晒，好親切，好唔同，好有得着。兼且咧，佢亦都去到 healing room 嘅時候咧，完全係被釋放。
Amen. Amen. And we had a guest, okay? She came, she was quite tight, quite tense, but then we saw how she transformed. And then she was in the healing rooms, and I believe she's being baptized, going to be baptized.
Yes，
Coming.
佢嚟緊浸禮啊，參加。
Amen. 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 So I think, not only as a participant, but you also see how people's lives are being changed. I think that is quite amazing.
This is amazing。而且咧，其實好老實講，喺我嘅參加2次嘅 Alpha 入邊咧，除咗好似初信慕道，無論你係信主5年、信主10年、20年、30年，我想問有冇20年㗎信主？
Anyone that is in the Lord
有
for
啊有
over
啊，
20
好
years?
好謙虛咁樣，謙卑咁樣樣一樣啊！30年嘅咧，good，好謙虛咁樣，OK， 見到，感謝主。40年嘅咧，你拗頭啊 ？OK，even 40年嘅，我都鼓勵你。其實咧 ，Alpha Course 唔係一個初信慕道者嘅一個 course，係。上帝嘅事情係從來唔會改變嘅，亦都唔會過去嘅。讓一啲真係可能信住好耐嘅弟兄姊妹，重新去思想神嘅角度，耶穌為我哋所做，同埋一切嘅聖靈點樣去陶造我哋，都可以一齊去經歷嘅。
I agree. The Alpha Course, sometimes we think, we bring our friends, newcomers, people who want to know the faith, but actually you benefit a lot yourself. Even me as a pastor, when I watch the videos, I realize, wow, this is really good and insightful. So no matter, your walk of life, maybe you've been a Christian 10, 20, 30, 40 years, but if you've never been to Alpha Course, I would encourage you to go because you will learn so much and it will really increase your walk of faith. And you know what? We have Alpha coming up, so it's good for you to join. When is it? Maybe you can let us know a little bit more.
我保證你參加時，你會有一個哇嘅感覺嘅，OK？ 而嚟緊咧，我哋嘅 Alpha Course 咧，其實我哋 run 咗7堂啦。咁其實咧，我哋仲有2堂嘅。我哋呢2堂咧係會喺9月20號同埋27號咧係喺翻 ICA 度舉行啦。而當中呢2堂咧，我哋加入咗一啲 Alpha Course 可能冇嘅元素，就係咩咧？香港嘅特色。香港嘅特色係咩特色？我賣個關子，等大家去參加就知道㗎啦。而唔單止咁樣，而且喺呢2堂嘅 Alpha Course 嘅片段入邊咧，仲會見到一啲咧好熟悉嘅面孔咧咁樣嘅，係啦。
Okay, now this is for the Cantonese Alpha, but I know the Filipino community, your Alpha is starting next week. So if you want to know more, no, the Filipino community, the English one. So they will be doing it next week. So if you want to know more, go and talk to Dante and Tess. They can let you know a bit more. So join, be part of the Alpha team. And this is for the Cantonese, the bilingual congregation. Yeah, so thank you, Gary. Thank you for being part of the Alpha team. Amen.